Is that on YouTube?
Hello, everybody. I am Manny Man the Weatherman, and you can follow us on Manny Man the Weatherman's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, also what is it called? Instagram. Today we have a very special guest. His name is the Hurricane HQ, and why don't you introduce yourself?
Hey, I'm Alex from the Hurricane HQ. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel and I post weather content there. And yeah, I'm joining in this stream.
Yeah, today we are going to have some weather fun, as you can see in this radar scope screen sharing. You can see we do have a strong storm that is coming into Maryland, and you can talk a little bit more about that while I check on the storms down south.
Yeah, so there is, I believe it's a squall line, right?
Yeah, I would definitely say that.
Yeah, so there is a squall line in, it's just moving east of Virginia. It's just moving out of the east coast of Virginia now. And it is going to be moving on to Maryland and then eventually into Delaware and possibly North Carolina and South New Jersey. Could be seeing some rainfall from it. But right now, it looks like the main concern is, I believe, strong winds, it looks like.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure.
Because there are definitely some pretty strong winds in there.
Yeah, there is a lot of strong winds. It's tracked all the way from West Virginia to now coming into Delaware, southern Delaware. Now, let's turn our attention to the south. We have some really strong wind gusts coming into Rockford right now. I mean, I can't really tell how strong, but we have some really strong wind, especially right north of the Clayton area. They actually just had a tornado warning for their area. Looks like it has been dropped. We do have to watch for the continuous cells and the continuous little knots in the storm for tornado warnings. It's very possible. Now let's get back to the Mid-Atlantic. We're going to go to now North Carolina. We are, I believe, under a slight risk in this area for northern North Carolina. We do have to watch out for these storms. And at 10 a.m., actually not 10 a.m., at I think it was 1 or 2 p.m. today, the SPC did issue a moderate risk for the Deep South, and those cities and states do include they actually did expand it a little bit more now. Alabama, the Mississippi, and parts of Louisiana, and some major cities is Jackson, Hattiesburg, Moderna, or how do you say that? Modernin?
I'm not sure.
Moderna, Mississippi, Vicksburg, Mississippi, and Clinton, Mississippi. Watch out for these storms. And this is mainly a damaging wind threat. I'm pretty sure they're going to narrow it down to a enhanced risk and move it over just a little bit. But for the places that are under the slight risk in the Mid-Atlantic, you do have that threat for tornadoes, as we did have a continuous severe weather outbreak, just a tiny outbreak for the Virginia area. Now, while I talk about while I look at the storms in the Mid-Atlantic, could you please talk about the storms that are coming into the Charleston area?
Charleston, South Carolina, correct?
Yes.
All right. So let's actually go to that radar real quick. Yeah, so it does look like there are some severe storms moving to the Charleston area. Let's actually see. So yeah, there's definitely a lot of heavy rain associated with that, with those severe thunderstorms. And there's actually, I believe, a hail threat. Yeah, so there is some areas with some scattered hail. It doesn't look too large, but definitely possibly pea-sized hail is possible, maybe up to 1 inch, according to the warning.
Ooh, yeah.
There's also the threat for winds up to 60 mile per hour, according to the warning. So definitely, if you're in those areas, you have to watch out for those two things.
Yeah, it looks like, hold on. I'm just looking. We do have let me see. Move this over. Looks like we do have an outflow boundary actually right now. Looks like that could be the shelf cloud of the storm that is moving into Montgomery. I'm gonna see if I can find a Montgomery traffic camera, and you can talk about the storms there for a little bit. Let me just find a traffic camera. No.
Okay, someone just asked what is happening in New Jersey.
I see that. Right now in New Jersey, we are pretty silent. Let me just see. We do have some cells that are to the north and a weird, as you can see, this weird line that is moving through there. That's something that we have to watch. Looks like a little cell popped up as well, moving to this way. That's pretty weird that they're moving this way and this storm is moving that way. But we could see some light rain. It looks like you said Camden too. You said any in Camden. Looks like we could have some possible light to moderate rain moving through the Camden area. This might break a part of the storm and move up towards the Camden area. I don't know what this line is. It might be a cloud that is coming in. Right now, looking outside, it is cloudy. It's kind of been cloudy for the remainder after 4 p.m., but I don't know what that is. But, sorry.
Is it a warning?
No, that was my phone.
Oh.
But, yeah, that's what we're talking about in New Jersey. But tomorrow, we could be talking about some strong storms possible for the area. Now,
we actually could be seeing a very small band of rain, possibly hitting like South Jersey, but other than that, it's gonna be pretty silent, like you said.
For sure. And you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to actually activate the warning system, which I need to do. So I will be right back. I'll be right back. Hold on. All right, we're good. We have the warning display on. Thank you, Manny Man, the weatherman. We missed you on prayer last night. Oh yeah. I was actually live for the severe weather last night, so sorry for that. Now the severe thunderstorm, we do have a brand new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued. My alert system did not go off, but we do have a threat for 60 mile per hour winds and some small pea-sized hail. That's a pretty that kind of looks like from Salisbury on south, it's more of a squall line, but from Salisbury on north, you're talking about a possible Boeing segment, which it looks like it is turning into a Boeing segment right now.
Yeah.
I see that. That's a pretty strong Boeing segment. Now, can you share your screen, Alex?
I believe I can. Let's actually see.
Let me see.
Entire screen share.
Okay, let me show it on the screen.
All right,
Okay.
there we go. Is it working?
Yeah, it's working. So,
All right, so I'm gonna head over to radar scope. What should we look at?
anything. I don't really know right now.
Let's see. Let's actually take a look at some of the warnings. It looks like there's a lot of special marine and severe thunderstorm warnings currently active. Mostly just those. Luckily, there are no tornado warnings, which is definitely really good news. As I believe, the southeast has gotten too many tornado warnings in the past few days. Let's actually, we should take a look at some of the reports. There's actually a lot of reports of flooding. Flooding in these areas. A lot of them from emergency management and law enforcement. Just south of Birmingham area, we're seeing a lot of those reports coming in. What's going on with my?
And there's actually some reports in Atlanta too of some flooding.
Oh, really?
Yes, there's a flash flood warning in effect as well that I am seeing.
Actually, head over to the closer radar. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, right in this green area is a flash flood warning. You can see it's mostly just saying flash flood radar indicated, and rainfall of 1 to 2.5 inches in 2 hours is expected. So that's definitely pretty high. And if we actually take a look at the 1 hour rainfall rates, I don't know, they're not really showing that much. They're showing about 50 inches per hour.
The service has
So I guess that it could cause some flash flooding. For sure. In 2 hours, an inch could fall. Maybe locally higher amounts.
Yeah.
A severe thunderstorm watch has been issued.
Oh, that's the voice?
I'm testing it out before I actually put it on the stream, making sure everything is working. That's severe thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch.
Okay, that's severe thunderstorm watch. That's, what is this?
Issue a tornado.
Okay, we're good. Let me put it onto the stream. And we should be good from here on out.
Wait, hold on. Is that your voice? It's really staticky.
Yeah, that was my voice.
Oh, wow. Did you actually record your voice saying that for every single one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I do that. I actually use what we like to call a camera. All I just do is just record my voice deep, and I just basically,
Mm-hmm. And just north of Birmingham, there's a lot of wind reports. There's reports of 1-inch tree limbs broken, shingles blown off, lawn furniture or trash cans displaced, small twigs broken. So there's a lot of wind reports.
Yeah.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
There we go. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. We have a severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for the Newport and Hampton area. I need to switch that radar. We actually have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings on top of each other, so we have to watch out for these storms. Like Norfolk,
what state is that?
That's for Virginia, Southern Virginia, near the Newport, Norfolk, Virginia Beach area.
Actually, I think we have a hail spike.
Let me see.
It's going right through Columbia. There's a hail spike or something.
Right through Columbia. Yeah. Oh yeah. There could be definitely. Let me actually look at Echo Tops to see how high this is. We could be talking about. You know what?
I'm not sure where the hail spike originates. or where the hell actually is, because I'm not seeing it on any.
So we could be where okay. We don't want but we want would no because inches yard no mile no. I don't know how much echo tops are on this storm.
Well, I'm looking right now. I'm looking at the one near
Oh.
Charleston.
I actually got it. Don't worry.
Okay.
For me, it says 12 km. I have to really update my radar scope.
Oh, just set it to like the correct a different height.
Right. Yeah,
Yeah,
I got to do that.
I have to do that too.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
We have a new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for the actually for Mount Montgomery right now. We actually have two, so I'm waiting for the next one to come in right now. This is once again squall line and a bow segment towards the top.
Oh, I see Montgomery. Let's
You gotta
actually go to
watch
that
out
radar.
for that.
Oh, it looks like a Mesoscale discussion was also just issued.
Oh,
The National
on.
Weather Service
just
has
came
issued
in.
a severe thunderstorm warning.
you can actually talk about
Oh, this
that.
Mesoscale discussion is saying the probability of a watch is 80%.
80%? Which one? Severe thunderstorm or tornado?
Not sure, but yeah, severe thunderstorm.
Severe thunderstorm, okay.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Things are really starting to ramp up now.
Oh wow, alert after alert, like I
We
said
actually-
earlier.
Yeah, we actually have a new severe thunderstorm warning just south of the one that was just issued for Norfolk. This is just south of Chesapeake. This is actually for Camden County, Gates County, Current, Tuck County, and the southern city of Chesapeake in southern Virginia, and Suffolk counties until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gusts could reach as high as 65 miles per hour.
Oh wow. There's a lot of special marine warnings actually, like
Yeah, we should.
Newport News and Hampton.
I have
A lot of
to.
special marine, like overlapping.
Yeah, that's actually a lot. I would not be able to count that, and there would be a lot of noise coming from my radar system.
Yeah. Yeah,
So-
definitely.
I think I really should. Should I do that?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I feel like it would be a little annoying.
Probably. Actually, there's a lot of wind reports coming in behind the squall line. 3-inch tree limbs broken, power lines broken.
Behind it?
Behind the squall line, yeah.
Oh no, that's not good. It looks like the worst and the strongest wind is coming right now into Rockford. We could actually have a possible tornado warning if we get more of a kind of like a deepening in. I'm not sharing my screen, but you would actually see it if you looked. There would be a possible tornado warning if it continued to kind of.
Is that like where is that located on the squall line? Like the northern part of it?
This is near the Montgomery. This is like the Boeing segment part.
Oh, near Montgomery.
Near the northern, yep. The northern part.
Okay. I don't know. I'm not really seeing any rotation.
Did it update?
Come
Oh,
on.
it updated. Never mind. It's gone.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, for sure updated. It was definitely going, and if it did a little bit more tighter, yeah, we'd be talking about a possible tornado warning, but it's up.
Actually, I'm gonna come back to the. Oh wow! If you actually take a look at these winds, there's actually real strong winds right behind the squall line in the south too.
Oh, yeah. That's something that you gotta watch out for. Actually, This storm that's in the Delaware area, coming towards the Delaware area, we have to watch out if you're in Cape May. If you're in Cape May, you might go under a severe thunderstorm warning. I will say that because this
I
is,
think I've been there.
yeah, this is moving in a, actually, we just gotta, let me see, I don't know.
The National
just got a
Weather
new
Service
warning.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Where's that?
This is for the for this Milford area in Delaware. This has, it looks like it's been updated, so it kind of put it as a severe thunderstorm warning, but it's kind of moved out of the warned area for the eastern area because this is moving fast. This is moving
Oh, I
at,
see. Is this the one right here, just south of Milford?
yeah, this is just south of Milford.
I see that one. Yeah, I think they are going to issue a severe thunderstorm warning for like very South New Jersey. Like, I would say they're probably going to issue it like right in this area. What the? All right, there we
Yeah.
go. Like,
you gotta
in
watch.
this area, it's likely for a severe thunderstorm warning. Like, there's a little cone ahead of it, so that
Yeah.
probably would go into Cape May.
Yeah, and yeah, you gotta also watch out for this. The one that is moving. The severe thunderstorm warning that just got updated just south of Milford. Also, watch out because this is moving in the northeast direction. If it continues, it could hit Cape May and Wildwood and the Stone Harbor area. Also, with that,
Possibly even Ocean City and Atlantic City area.
yeah, the northern parts, yes, for sure, possibly getting impacted. And you know that line we were talking about?
Yeah.
It actually created a cell that moved into it, and now it's starting to weaken as it moves towards Philadelphia. So I don't know what that was. Now, we do actually have cells starting to form behind this line towards the Harrisburg and the Allentown areas, as we did actually have a possible tornado on the ground earlier there in Pennsylvania. But storms are starting to fire up. If you get any storms that fire up, in Virginia and the Maryland area, those could come into Jersey, Delaware, and the Maryland areas.
And it does look like the storm tracks are bringing. It's gonna probably hit Cape May around 8:01 to 8:15.
Oh, yes, I see that.
Around then. It's
Yeah,
probably-
watch out for these storms for sure.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
New severe thunderstorm warning. I see it. This is for well, let me see. This is for Talassapot. Hold on, this is a county in east central Alabama. For Alexander City, Jackson's Gap, Dadeville, Camp Hill, until 7:15 Central Daylight Time.
Actually, a new mesoscale discussion was also just issued. This one is also saying, just like the last one, it's saying the probability of a severe thunderstorm watch is 80%. This one is pretty big. It extends all the way into like probably from Tallahassee all the way to like Macon. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. But
For Macon, Georgia.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So we could be seeing the squall line moving into this, like even into Florida, possibly.
You said Tallahassee?
Yeah, the mesoscale discussion does reach Tallahassee.
Oh, I do see that because this line is extending possibly all the way to New Orleans. So we gotta watch out for these storms. Really, if you're in the deep south.
I'm gonna close Raroscope real quick. It's really slow right now.
Okay. I guess I'll share my screen right now. Hold on. Actually, you gotta back up. So
yeah.
there
There we go. It's a little faster.
You know what we should? You know what I should do? I should I should start doing like the ESA, a voice of like me doing like a mesoscale discussion, like a new mesoscale discussion has been issued. I should do
Yeah, you can probably do that.
that.
Wow,
Would
look
be
at these
less.
winds. These winds are like crazy.
Oh
Let's
wow!
see,
And
like
look at the lightning on
80
it too.
mile per hour behind this
Oh wow! That's.
squall line.
I mean, look at the lightning too on this storm.
Yeah, I'm seeing that lightning.
Wow, we could have some sustained gusts up to 30 miles per hour possible.
Yeah.
You gotta tell me, is that rotation near the Kellyton area, near the Alexander City area, just north of Montgomery? This is near the Rockford area.
I do see that little icon. Let's see, actually. I don't know. To be honest, I don't think it is.
Okay.
I guess because actually, let's take a look at the warning right ahead of it, and let's see if it does say tornado possible. All right, it doesn't. I don't
Okay.
really think it is. The only reason being is that it looks like it's just kind of like a hole in the squall line right here.
Tornado warning.
A tornado warning has been issued.
Where's that?
Oh, tornado warning has been issued.
National Weather
For this is for now north of Montgomery. This is in effect for Elmore and Montgomery counties just until 7 to the top of the hour, 7 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Alabama, I see. Ah. Oh, I see something. I don't know. The only thing is with it, I don't think it's actually rotation. Because if you actually look here, the winds right here are negative, and the winds over here are also negative. Technically, they're moving in the same direction.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That is true.
Although I believe they probably issued it because they think maybe it will form.
Yeah. We'll see as it passes the radar. We'll see what we got. But it definitely does have some strong wind in it. Some gusts.
Definitely.
We do have to watch out for that. That
wind's like 81 mile per hour.
Yeah, we got gusts sustained at around 37 miles per hour. We gotta watch out for that storm.
Oh, a new radar update just came in. I don't know. The winds look a little bit less strong in the latest update, and it looks a bit less like rotation. But I guess the warning is still kind of valid, as it may still develop.
That's weird. I got the warning before you, and I didn't even get the update.
That's weird. Well, I guess sometimes it depends on like the network or something.
True. There you go. New update. Yeah. I don't really see that much rotation at this point.
And we're probably gonna lose it in the radar. We probably won't be able to see it pretty soon because it's gonna move like right into this area of like purple, and you're not gonna be able to see it when it goes in there.
Yeah. And it looks like if it does continue in that same track, it will go either north or directly to the radar base or radar site.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so hopefully it doesn't, like, if it does form, hopefully it doesn't knock it out.
Oh, yeah.
That would definitely cause a lot of problems.
Yeah, that would, we would have some problems for you guys that are in the area. We don't want to have...
I don't know. Do you see a supercell kind of forming?
Where?
It's like near Haynesville, just south of Montgomery.
South. Hey, oh.
Could it be? I'm not sure. It has a kind of hook.
I see that hook for sure. But the only thing I would say is I'm not seeing... Well, you know what? That could... Never mind. I look at CC. That could actually be some air right there. So we could actually have a possible tornado warning for it, but not confirmed. We just have to wait, kind of.
But the hook just got a little bit better in the latest update.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at that.
It's starting to actually look a little bit more like a classic supercell.
Yeah, and it looks like we might have another tornado. No, actually, never mind. The radar tricks you.
Yeah.
It's updated.
Actually, let's take a look at the hail in this thing. Is there any hail? Yeah, it actually looks like there is a lot of hail, especially near the Montgomery area. There's a big patch of hail. Oops.
Oh, mm-hmm.
It doesn't look too big as it's not like large giant, but
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
another one.
Let me see. This is this is for a whole hour and 13 minutes.
Whoa.
This is for Butler, Monroe, Crenshaw. Oh my God.
Oh, I see it.
Crenshaw counties, Wilcox County, Central Conshohock County. I think that's how you say it, and Covington. For let's just say those counties in Central Alabama until 7:45 Central Daylight Time. This is for a whole hour and 13 minutes.
Yeah, it
Now, I know
covered
that-
a lot of area.
I know that the storm
The
is
National
for
Weather
sure.
Service has
Oh.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
And I see that we have a severe thunderstorm warning that is just north of Memphis.
Ohio?
No, Memphis, Tennessee.
Oh, Tennessee. All right.
Ooh. This might have this has actually some broad rotation, but it would need more fixing.
I see it.
Hold on.
I actually see kind of see a small hook.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It looks like with the deeper radar returns, it kind of has more of a hook there. So let me see if this is tornado possible. It is not tornado possible.
Yeah, there isn't much rotation on the velocity. There's a little bit.
Something just happened, but I don't see it. Mm-mm.
Oh wow, this squall line actually moves like right into like New Orleans area. Wow.
Oh yeah.
It kind of breaks up in Louisiana, but the warnings are extending quite far.
Oh, the storm in Bridge, the one south of Milford, that actually just got a lot of wind picked up right there. And that just, with the newest radar scan, that has winds sustained at about, let me see.
Where is that, Milford?
This is the one that's in Maryland. It has winds sustained at around 26, 27 miles per hour.
Mm.
It actually looks like that tornado warning actually kind of they just like made it a lot smaller.
Yeah, they're probably thinking that it may not. Oh, I see a little area of stronger winds. Oh, I see that near Milford. Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, the one near Milford that just spiked for sure. It actually was a little bit less, and then it kind of just spiked.
Yeah, I'm seeing that.
With radar scan, it actually is spiking in sustained gusts. Gusts could possibly reach to 30.
Mm.
So gotta watch out. Also, this is bringing some possibilities to Cape May. This could hit you. This could hit you. It looks like this could hit you around 8:22 or 8:22 is looking like the best time for you.
Mhm. I'm actually gonna head back to that tornado warning in Alabama.
Yeah. Keep an eye.
Yeah, I don't really see any rotation. I see some strong winds, but I don't see any rotation at all now.
Okay, that just dropped significantly. They gotta get rid of that. Wait, this storm was just in Haynesville, and now it's all the way near the Pine Road area. This is moving awfully fast. So, I mean, if you're in Union Springs, this could be hitting you within 10 minutes, possibly.
All right, so right now it is currently hitting Montgomery.
Yes. Wish I got a
strong with the large hail, or not large, just some hail too. It's probably gonna be seen. And there is a report of some flash flooding from just 5-7 minutes ago.
I was just about to say that.
What? It says homes, buildings, or vehicles swept away.
I was just about to say that. An IMPing report of homes and buildings or vehicles swept away. So we gotta watch out for the flash flooding, and especially we still have some rain behind this storm because this is
that's possible.
Big storm.
Homes and vehicles. I guess maybe vehicles are more possible. But...
Yeah, and it can also be it doesn't really show that in the IMPing warning, but it could also be a person as well. I've seen that before, and they reported sometimes the wrong thing, or they just reported it because someone.
Or maybe they kind of saw like a small bike or something.
Yeah, I was about to say trash can might have been swept away. We have a new update in the warning in Delaware. They made it a lot smaller. I'm expecting them to kind of make it a bigger warning soon.
Yeah, usually I think when they make it smaller, they usually issue a larger one a few minutes later.
Yes.
It's like to clear a path for the new one.
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Where's that?
We have, let me see. Oh, North Carolina. This is for the. We don't have a good radar base, but it is a line of storms moving near the Creswell area and the Columbia area, moving towards the Kill Devil Hills area and the Naghead and the Kitty Hawk areas.
I'm seeing that one.
Yeah, I was just.
See, there is I don't think there's any rotation in it, so that's good.
There is actually not a good place for a radar base right now. I don't know where to go to actually look at good, decent.
What I'm using it's a little bit to the north. I'm using KAKQ.
Oh, okay. I was using
actually, I think KMHX would probably be a little close. I don't know. Either one. Either to the north or south. Probably be good enough.
Either one, really, we gotta watch for these storms. Now, this is a very big and widespread low that is moving through the south, the mid-Atlantic, and for the northeast. So we gotta really watch out for these storms.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
I see that. That is for now Central Alabama. This is now for another hour and 21 minutes. This will be canceled, but this is for Pike County, Bullock County, and Macon counties until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gusts could exceed 60 miles per hour, and we actually have a wind gust to 58 miles per hour was recently recorded at the Montgomery Airport. Wind damage has also been reported with this line of storms.
Yeah, the warning says hail up to 0.75 inches and wind up to 60 miles per hour.
Yeah, so I don't know if the storm is starting to lose its wind strength because it was just at 70 and now it's starting to go down to 60. We'll see. Look at the storm in Montgomery once again, and look to the one that's look near Fort Deposit. I guess that's how you say it. It's kind of where there's like a little bit of a hook there.
I see that. I see something. I believe it's a hook. I'm not 100% sure.
To the one south of it. I see your screen. The one south of it.
South of this?
Yeah. Go down one more. Yeah, right there. That one. If you look at rotation or velocity, I can't tell if that
I don't know. It looks still. It doesn't really look like there's any rotation.
okay.
It's mostly moving in one direction. But I do see that. I do see that hook right there.
Yeah. Whenever you see a hook, you always have to make sure, guys. It is always you have to make sure.
Yeah.
I always go to CC to look to hold on before I talk. That storm just made a ball. We gotta watch.
Which one? Right here?
It's the one actually north of it, where we just were in with near the Fort Deposit one, and just north to it. Back to the south of the storm, and where we saw that where the last hook.
Oh wait, we just got a report in of 1 inch tree limbs broken, shingles blown off from 1 minute ago.
Oh, I see that now. This kind of grew to a ball.
Do you mean right here? I don't know what you mean by a ball.
Let me show you. Let me. You know what? Do you want me to share my? Actually, we can both share our screens. I believe. Yeah, we can both share our screens. Let me just do this. Actually, let me show you my screen. I'm gonna turn off yours off air. I'm talking about right here. You gotta tell me if this is circular, any like rotation in this.
Here, I just stopped screen sharing.
Right there. Let me oops. Let me get back to radar scope. Okay. Right here. If you look at velocity, would you say that there's some rotation?
I don't know. To be honest, I don't really think there is. If there is, it'd be really slight.
Right. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Oh, here we go again.
Yeah.
Where's that for?
Ooh, right here. We actually have 3, so we're actually going to hear this 3 times possibly. Here's the next one.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
So that's the second one. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a third one once
The
again.
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
So we actually have 3. You can actually look at it. There's actually one right here in Virginia. There's one right here in Virginia and North Carolina. That's the continuation. But then we have this. It looks like it's turning into a line now, in a bow segment. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Maryland and for Delaware. So you gotta watch out. Look how strong that is bowing out. Ellendale, you have to seek shelter. Even if it's not a tornado, that is a pretty strong bow echo right there.
Yeah.
And it's coming towards the radar site. So actually, there could even be some hail up here near the Greenwood area. You really have to watch out for that.
Yeah, we might actually lose the radar, possibly.
Yeah, due to the strong wind or some severity of hail.
I am seeing the hail indicate on radar. It's about to hit the tower.
Possibly, yeah. Yeah, that's moving right towards the tower right there. You gotta watch out for these storms.
Here, give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
Okay.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Looks like they issued a severe thunderstorm warning right here for Alabama. I was looking for it. Looks like they issued. Oh, okay. It could be for this storm and it could be for this storm. That's probably why it is for an hour and 15 minutes. Let's look at the. No, there's no rotation on this, so that's the good thing. Maybe if this starts to continue to. Actually, let me just. If this continues to move in and maybe if this continues to move out, we could be talking about a possible tornado. But looking at reflectivity, there's could be a possible tornado or warning, but that is actually a pretty classified. You can actually see arm here, and then a possible area for some storms. So you gotta watch out for the possibility for some hail too. And a possible tornado cannot be ruled out. Now I'm gonna go. Looks like we just got a new warning
The
for
National
the
Weather
area.
Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
We got a new warning for South Carolina. Looks like this is turning into a bow segment. Now this is turning kind of into a bow segment. Like I said, winds could sustain up to 26 miles per hour possibly. So you gotta watch out for these storms. Looks like we even have a, what is that? Is he back? No. As you can see on the screen, we have something. This is some outflow. This is our outflow boundary right now that we're looking at. This is basically what we had in New Jersey earlier, where we had this outflow boundary that moved through. These are some very bad arrow. But we also have actually, this is an outflow boundary, and this is outflow. Okay, we actually have two outflow boundaries that are moving through. One is moving towards, the other one's moving away, so we kind of have to watch out. We'll see if this makes, so usually what happens is when they touch each other, they kind of spark some storms possible, because this could actually be a cloud cover just based on the rain and the different shades of rain. But this could be some cloud cover, and this could be some dry air. And when those spark, you get storms.
Quick question: Where is that?
This is just north of Charleston. This is just south of the Wilmington and area, and this is.
Oh, I see.
KLTX.
Yeah,
that's where we also got our new warning as well.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
I actually see that we have a severe thunderstorm warning for Alabama. Before you know it, these will be coming into the South Georgia area. I just want to check up. Okay, we're good. This is for another hour and 11 minutes. This is for, hold on. This is for Pike County, Macon counties until 8 o'clock.
It's moving into it's definitely gonna be moving into Georgia and like pretty soon. Northern part, like there's like a new part of the squall line. There's like a more north near Alexander. There's a more eastern part and there's a more western part. The more eastern part is already crossing into Georgia.
Right.
And the western part is the stronger one, at least.
As you can see on my screen, what is this? It has a hook, no velocity returns, and then it has the big arm here. And I would call this more of a damaging wind threat, but I would also call this a hail threat as well.
Yeah, there's some hail in there.
In a new update, this actually turned into a ball. There's no rotation.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it. I'm not exactly seeing any rotation.
Yeah, no rotation. Ooh, Jackson's Gap, watch out. And like you said, behind the storm, we actually have there's some strong, like really strong wind. I don't know why that is, but we gotta watch out for that. Just because you went through the heaviest rain and some of the actually some wind. You does not mean that you're over with the wind threat with this particular storm. We have rotation south of Montgomery.
Let's see.
Broad, very broad. It's with this line and it has a hook. It's the first hook.
Ooh, I actually see that.
It's the first hook.
Yeah, I'm seeing that.
Yes, so there's some severe weather, guys. Welcome. We gotta watch out for that storm that could go tornado warned any minute, but that's broad rotation. Also, it could be tornado warned. We just gotta wait.
Yeah, pretty soon we could be seeing it become tornado warned.
Yes, we gotta watch out for that. I'm gonna check on the storms in Delaware. You can share your screen if you want.
All right.
The storms are actually going away, so this actually passed the radar site, and we're actually starting to. We lost like a band of the storm. I mean,
All right. I am now sharing. I'm not sure if it comes up. All right, there you go.
Oops, that's like Zoom. I don't want that.
Whoa. I don't know how that is.
You have a phone too.
Yeah, 1 second.
We can talk about it. No.
All right, I'm back.
Okay.
It was just
Oh, the storm south of Montgomery has a lot of rotation still, and it definitely just got a ball and a big hook too.
Actually, I'm gonna go check out. I'm gonna actually head back to Delaware. I want to see if there's anything going on over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if this has any No, that's some air. I was scared for a minute.
I don't know. I'm not sure if it's gonna go. I'm not sure if this part up here is gonna be severe thunderstorm warned or not. If it will be, it'll probably be like this. But I don't know if it's gonna be severe thunderstorm warns because it doesn't look too severe.
Right.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
What is that for?
This is now for Georgia. This is for Columbus. This is actually, let me just read the warning. This is for, wow, that's a hard county name. Actually, these are all hard county names. We're going to try and pronounce them. But Meriwether County in west central Georgia, and Muskogee County. Yeah, Muskogee County in west central Georgia. Also Trope counties in Georgia, and also Harris County until 8:30 Eastern Standard Time.
And the hazard is 60-mile-per-hour winds and hail up to 1 inch.
Yes.
Damaging hail possible.
Storm in front of it. We gotta watch out for this. It's got broad rotation. I don't even call that rotation, but it could possibly have some rotation. That's more north. So actually, this doesn't have any rotation. But we gotta watch it.
My radar scope just froze. Give me a second. Oh, no, it didn't. Never mind.
Hold on. That just turned into a ball. We kind of lost rotation on that storm. Wait, hold on. That was the wrong storm. Never mind. Yeah, we could still it's got even tighter, so we could talk about a tornado warning soon. And we got storms that are intensifying in Pennsylvania right now near the Harrisburg area. Actually, these cells have got big. They got big. And they're actually producing some hail. We actually have some hail reports of pea size. So watch out for these. we had the threat of storms in the Jersey, the Delaware, and all the Mid Atlantic and Northeast, southern Northeast areas. But looks like it turned out to be more of the. Actually, it turned out to be more of a Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Threat, and it might even go into New Jersey as it gets towards Cape May. So I can't call out New Jersey yet.
Oh, new special marine warning now is moving into Cape May.
Uh-oh, watch out, guys.
So it's basically the equivalent of a severe thunderstorm warning. It's saying there's no hail threat, but winds over 34 knots are possible. So
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure what that is in. Hey Google,
30
what is 34 knots in miles per hour? It's like 40 mile per hour.
Yeah, I was just about to say, I know my knots in like numbers, so I was going to say 39. I think it's like 39 something.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm not too good with like translating temperature and stuff.
We got a possible tornado that has got tight rotation now.
Tight rotation. Let's take a look.
The one that we were talking about, and it definitely has air coming in to like that debris ball. I mean, to like in like the, you know, inside the ball area. So we kind of have to watch out for.
Oh, wait, are you saying right here?
Let me come back. Yeah.
Wow, yeah, it looks like there's slight inflow.
And correlation coefficient is kind of weird. It's showing that it's like in the storm on radar, but that's not possible because if that was, that storm would be broken up, and it's not.
Oh, we just got it's gone.
Oh, the rotation.
Yep, the latest update just came in.
Oh yeah, that's gone, but it's still very broad. We could have it could be recycling because it is moving into more. Actually, it's moved into the enhanced risk, so it could be losing. Let me actually take a look at how our Cape is actually.
Yeah, the enhanced risk is right.
Cape values. We might have an increasing probability of severe weather actually in New Jersey.
Oh, really?
We have now Cape values up to 1,200.
Oh, really? Actually, let's actually take a look at the weather model real quick.
And
which model are you using to see that?
I'm using current right now.
Oh, how do you get that?
There's something, the College of Dew page.
It's on here? I never knew they had that.
Yeah, you gotta go, you see like go to like where like you see the clouds and stuff, and you see product overlays with like the globe and like
here I see it.
Yeah, you can go to
I see.
You can I go to mapping. Actually no, I go to Meso Analyst. If it's not loading, I refresh all the time.
Alright. It's weird,
Also,
it's not loading.
If you go to
Cape.
Yeah. Actually, is your Meso Analyst working?
It's not working at the moment. It's weird.
Let me share my screen. Hold on. I'll show you what it looks like. You don't have to end it because it will just show yours too. But as you can see, this is current.
Oh, I see. I think you just froze. Hello? Here, I'm gonna leave and come back real quick. Okay, it looks like we have a slight issue here. Very slight issue. I believe they'll be right back in just.
I'm gonna leave and come back real quick.
Alright, yeah, they'll be back in just a few minutes. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for them to head back here. Because I believe their internet went out. Hopefully not because of severe weather or anything like that. But right now we're actually gonna take a look at what's happening here. Let's see. Okay, we have a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings currently issued here. If we actually head back up to the northeast here, we could see this special marine warning does extend into New Jersey, Cape May actually, and we can also start to see these cells starting to fire up near Wingate area and those areas over there. So we could be watching those severe thunderstorms moving into possibly Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York State. So yeah, definitely if you're in those areas, you gotta watch out for these small cells as they may become severe later into the day. Yeah. All right. Anyway, not sure if I'm live or not, or showing the screen right now, but hopefully I am. Yeah, we are seeing this squall line continuing to intensify. To the looks of it, we are still getting reports of 1-inch tree limbs being broken and shingles being blown off people's roofs. So definitely not good. A lot of wind reports too, coming in right behind this squall line here. And this mesoscale discussion is saying is a tornado watch. It is basically saying that there's currently a tornado watch. And I believe that tornado watch looks... Oh, wow. We actually have a tornado report from 6:38 p.m. Interesting. But we are going to be watching this squall line as it moves into these areas in these severe thunderstorm warnings here. Actually, I'll have to loop the image real quick, and let me actually plug in my laptop real quick. There we go, and now the image is looping. Actually, let's set this to maximum performance. There we go. I'll actually head back up to the squall line, currently moving its way out of Virginia, North Carolina, Delaware, Maryland, and areas. And in, we are seeing these severe thunderstorms continuing to push east, and they are triggering a lot of special marine warnings. And you can see right behind this, right behind the squall line, you can see that we do have a ton of wind reports coming in and wind damage reports all saying that there is wind damage, and definitely not what we want to be seeing right now. trash cans displaced, small twigs broken, lawn furniture displaced, so definitely not that good. And we actually have some hail reports coming in, pea-sized in Pennsylvania, to the looks of it. You can see we have some thunderstorm cells coming in